Are you worried that your IP address is locked on the UCEPROTECT Level 3 blacklist? And are you worried that your emails aren't going to their intended destination, which could be having effects on your email marketing campaigns or anything related like that? Then don't worry, you're not alone. And in this video, we're going to tell you how you can rectify this, fix this, and optimize this. So the UCEPROTECT Level 3 flags entire IP ranges for spamming activities. Now, the issue with this is that it can have significant impact on your email deliverability. And also, interestingly, 21% of legitimate emails that are sent never actually make it to people's inboxes, again, because they are blacklisted. Now, your solution to this is to use Warmy.io. With our ability to protect your email sender reputation, this means this will stop you in future endeavors, future emails, from you ending up on future blacklists, which protects your email deliverability, which increases your reputation, and this also then increases your reputation with other email providers, which means they are more likely to go to their intended destination, which are people's inboxes. The way we do this, our email deliverability tools emulate real email interactions, and over a period of time, they go from sending small amounts of emails daily to medium and then more, because this replicates real email interactions. And over this period of time, this builds your reputation and then at the same time protects your reputation from ending up on blacklists. If you want to check if your IP address has been blacklisted, then you can use one of our free tools, which is our free email deliverability test, to see if this has happened to you. All you have to do is go to our website and at the top, click on free tools, and then you want to click on email deliverability test. And then once you're on that screen, you want to go click on start test, and there in front of you, you will see emails that you need to copy. You can then take those over to your email address. So let's say you're using Google, for example, with Gmail, and in the to box, you want to put those email addresses, put in a subject, and then after that again, put in a test, for example. And then what you want to do is then click send. Then once you've sent that email, you want to come back to the Warmy website, and on the website, you want to press check email deliverability. So this test reveals a lot of key information about your email, but the key information you want to know in relation to this video is if your email address is blacklisted. So when you scroll down, you'll be able to see right here that none of the email addresses in this example are blacklisted, but if they were, you can see right here. And then you're able to download a PDF file of all of this information and then act on it accordingly. Let's say, for example, one of your IP addresses is blacklisted and you want to remove it. Well, there are different websites out there that will allow you to do that. One of those is UCEPROTECT, and on there you can pay a small donation to have your IP address removed from the blacklist. But then my question is to you, is this the best way to go about it? In other words, is this the most professional way to go about it, or are there better alternatives? Well, you can use our service at Warmy.io. So this is how Warmy works. Using our service, over a period of time, we warm up your email by sending little volumes of emails, opening emails, basically mimicking human behavior. And over a period of time, this builds your sender reputation, which means you are more trusted. This stops you in the future from being blacklisted because your reputation is so good. Some of the amazing benefits our customers have experienced using our software, they have experienced 35% increases in their email deliverability. On top of that, they have also had their sender reputation increase a lot. And because of this, you'll experience higher open rates on your emails, and then also you'll experience more customer engagement with your emails when they go to their intended destinations, which is their inbox. So are you ready to remove your IP from different blacklists and increase your email deliverability rate across the board? Then sign up today for our 7-day free trial so you can test all of this out for yourself and see how you can take your email deliverability rate from here to the next level.